I've had a wonderful time this evening at La Fair. As I was saying, there's a diverse kind of crowd here which we're not usually used to. Everybody from a creative side to corporate side, across age groups. So it's been really lovely talking to these people, interacting with everyone so far. Both my brother and I, Joshua, we were sitting in the Grand Cherokee and making our presentations, right? And for that 45 minutes, Bombay's roads and traffic disappeared, right? So kudos, great car.
The ride is really smooth and it doesn't feel like a very big car. The automatic, the gear transmission is very smooth.
And last year when I was hosting the Autocar India Awards, the Jeep Compass won the Vehicle of the Year, the Automobile of the Year. Anybody who hasn't experienced the Jeep Compass hasn't experienced what it is like to feel that luxury on the roads. Because I really think that it has everything that the average Indian would ache for. The right amount of space, it's a family car, but if you want to take it out solo, you're still able to do and enjoy the pleasures of it. It really sticks to the road and it does the corners really well, which I was particularly impressed by. And I immediately fell in love with it, you know, it's just remarkable, the handling, the smoothness of it.
Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen?
Hi, this is Vikram Fadnis and currently I am with this magnificent piece of beauty, the Jeep at La Fair 19, and I couldn't ask for anything better and bigger. I don't think there is a particular place that you derive an inspiration from. I think every day as a designer, the element of design, the element of creativity, new thoughts is constantly playing on your mind. I'm just hoping that Jeep drops me back home because the ride was so beautiful and luxurious and I really don't want to go back in my car. So I've at gunpoint I've told Jeep, you better be dropping me home, and it's beautiful. I mean, I felt amazing just coming to the venue in that car. It's got so much of strength, there's so much of power in the car. It makes me so happy.